Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to give ownership to someone else of your Discord server. So in order to do that, let's go to server settings, and in order to open server settings we have to click on the name of the server at the top, and then we will find server settings. Now over here we will find members under the user management section, and here you will find a list of all users, or actually members of your server. Over here we can search any member that we want to transfer the ownership to, or if you already have your person over here on this list, you can click on the three dots over here on the right side of the user, and then you will find transfer ownership button. If you click on it, then you will need to confirm that you are sure what you are doing. So enable this switch over here, and then you can press transfer ownership to finalize the process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.